So, good morning, my people. How y'all doing? Hope all y'all is well out there. What I'm doing, I'm about to plug a tire. Plug it. Yeah, this customer they want to plug, so pretty much has a screw in it. As you can see, that big screw. So I'm just gonna put a plug in it right quick and get that over with. Anytime you have a screw or anything in your tire, if you're in if you're in a rush, you don't really have time to get it patched. The quickest way is just plug it. Plug it and keep it moving. It's real simple. There's not a lot to do. This plug right here was just in this tire. So, yeah. And like I say, most time when you plug in a tire, you know the tire has that steel inside of it. So, if you don't solder the steel down, it's gonna kind of be hard to push your plug in. If you just try to just push the plug in without soldering your wire down. So always make sure you solder your wire down, like what I'm doing right here. Solder your wire down good. That way when you put your plug in, it can go in pretty easy. You know, see as you can hear, you hear that? The air is shooting out more, so that means that the wire is being soldered pretty good. And when I go to put my plug in, I shouldn't have to struggle with it. You know what I mean? It should go in pretty easy. So now that I did that, I can pull this out and I can put the plug, push this plug in. Pretty easy, see? You got it in. Kind of go down like maybe a half inch with your plug, and then twist your tool and pull it up, and that should seal the tire. It don't take nothing but a few minutes to do. It's real simple, real quick, and that's the best thing to do if you're in an emergency situation and you don't have time to get it patched. Just put a plug in there and be done with it. So now I'm gonna check the air pressure. So I only have 20 pounds of air in there right now. So I'm gonna pump it up to like 40 pounds PSI. And then I will check it and for a leak. And basically you can get some soapy water or something, spray on it, or any type of water or something to check it after you've plugged it and make sure it's not leaking. Most time the plugs hold up pretty good. See, I have 40 pounds. We're at 40. So I'm gonna get my soap bottle, spray it down again, check it, and I'll be done with it. So I'm just gonna spray my, no leak. It's good. Another satisfied customer. Thank y'all for watching, sharing, and subscribing. I'll be back with the next one. Peace.